Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday. It's Thursday already. Thursday, June 25th and Friday, June 26th, 2020. Hope you're having a good trading week. We had a good day on Wednesday here finally. Some movement in the market, and we had a couple shorts that worked out. So no complaints after the last couple of days. Actually, since last Tuesday, the market's been pretty slow. So good to see this, and hopefully it's the start of some real action. Futures right now are pointing to a negative opening tomorrow again, but of course that can change overnight, so don't worry about it. This is a look at the ES front month futures contract. It's the daily chart of the broad market and futures form, and as you can see, not much new to report there. All right, let's go through the major daily charts. Crude oil down 39 cents to 37.62. Gold down $4.70. Remember, gold had that 13 sell signal the other day, so we're operating under that. S&P lost 80.96 points. NASDAQ 100 down 207.12. Stocks were down 43.43. Biotech's down 83.20. The Russell 2000 down 49.59. The VIX was up $2.47. Trend closes at 2.36, 2.34. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.29. NASDAQ volume, 5.5 billion shares, heavy again, and this time on the sell side. Remember, the day before we sold off a little bit late, but the volume was heavy these last 2 days. Friday's heavy volume was just options expiration. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 21.18, one of the worst so far this year. In the bottom 15 or so. Advanced decline ratio on the US is 22.31. Google loses $31.28. Apple down $6.47. Netflix down $8.41. Amazon down $30 and a penny. Tesla down $40.93. Now keep in mind, all these FANG stocks have 13 sell signals that they're operating under right now at various points. Here's Facebook, also has one down $8.22. So remember, we've been talking about this. All these sell signals down the daily charts of all the FANG stocks. Very rare to see that many of them. They all hit on different days, and it's all coming to fruition as of today's stuff. Goldman Sachs, down 6.76. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was up $1.73, and the Dow was down 700 points. In terms of the intraday action, here's a look at the 5-minute charts of ES. So again, we had a gap up on Tuesday, pretty flat, but we did sell off a bit in the afternoon, and the volume picked up there. And then here's the sell-off today, pretty nasty. And on the NASDAQ side, same thing. Note the 13 buy signal was the low of the day on the NASDAQ. All right, so we don't typically do market previews for Friday unless tomorrow's really crazy. We probably will not, so we'll talk about the data that's due out for the rest of the week, and then let's talk briefly about next week as well. A lot of data Thursday. We've got an hour before the bell, the durable goods, final GDP, initial and continuing jobless claims, goods trade balance, and preliminary wholesale inventories. An hour into the market, we have natty gas storage, and after the close, we have the bank stress test results. Friday, an hour before the bell, we've got core PC price index, personal income and spending, and then at 30 minutes into the market, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. It's a Friday. Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow will be a Friday. That's not always that exciting, but obviously if the market's starting to roll from these coronavirus numbers, that's a problem. On Monday, let's keep in mind what the outlook is for next week. Monday is the 29th. Tuesday is the 30th. It's the last day of the month, last day of the quarter, last day of the 6 months. So they're going to print those statements and get their bonuses, if any. And so we're usually pretty flat. They're going to try to hold this thing up, I got to think, through Tuesday at this point. They've had a good quarter. They want to lock in those gains and get their payments. But we'll see if they're able to hold it up for a couple of days. It's still 4 more trading days. So after that, it's a tough one to call because the next day is Wednesday, July 1st. Typically, the market does start to move at the beginning of July, but the layout for the holiday here is awkward. So you've got, the day before, we got the holiday is the 4th of July is on Saturday. So the day off is Friday. Most people will leave Thursday and extend the weekend, which means that they're really going to start trading on Wednesday for the new quarter. So it may or may not be very interesting in there. But I suspect when we get back from 4th of July weekend, you're going to see some good movement in the market, which will be nice for the summertime. We don't always get that. All right, that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading rest of the week and a good weekend.